Man, passa no way.
One name, Kedu, Afam, Busomto Papi. Eba ino kitabu, the last drop. Enugu ebe Deejay Masta they made the all black experience. If we had them in black and black tonight, dressed for the event. We're going to be asking a lot of people questions tonight. Beautiful people, amazing people tonight. Out here to have fun with Deejay Masta. Imakosi Adi, come with me, let's go. And we have the OGs in the building. Slow digging one, Mama Eba. Ago, you're welcome.
How far now?
You're fine. Welcome, sir. So, I Chima, you know, you're here for Deejay Masta tonight.
No, I'm here for you. I'm here for you.
Diggy, so what are you expecting tonight? Give in an eye at
Deejay Masta na OG na normal. Shut up, no time.
fun, party.
That's why we're here.
You perform kwata. Slow Diggy, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Executive Nokweba tonight. Isbo, you're welcome tonight.
Thank you.
So can't you quite get Slow Diggy? Come on, you're here for Deejay Masta tonight.
I came to support. I don't even know about this show. I just came back today, so I decided to put body. Well, I'm expecting to see so many artists, you know.
Fun.
So, yeah, we just have to have fun. Fun is life. If you don't have fun, you die.
Black and black. No,
if I enter inside, I go pull them off.
I'm
looking for black.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
What's your name?
My name is Vera.
Vera, Igbo?
Yes, I am. Anambra.
All right. So you're here tonight for Deejay Masta's party, yeah?
Yes, I am.
And what are you looking at? You were inside, yeah?
Yes, I was.
You're having fun already?
Of course I am.
And you're looking forward to more fun?
Of course. It's going to be a blast, guys.
Yeah, it is already a blast. What's happening inside?
They're already dancing and playing songs, so it's much fun a bit though.
Yeah, do you know any Deejay Masta song?
No, I don't.
None. I wanted to ask you to sing one for us.
No, I don't know any song.
Okay, right here we have a very respectable person, but I'll let him introduce himself to you. He's on all black today, and he is here for Deejay Masta. Chairman.
Yeah, I'm with Chila Kenya.
You know, Chila Kenya. You must have heard about Chila Kenya, pioneer OG. I'm so happy to be standing here with him tonight. So what are you expecting tonight? Of course, you're here for J Masta.
Sure, I know what he can do, so we're gonna enjoy very good music. Very good,
so much fun.
Party. Yeah. J Masta has it all. Trust me.
You were already inside, and I'm sure you're already having fun. What's happening inside there?
A lot of fun. You wanna go inside and find out.
Yeah, better experienced, yeah.
Yeah, trust me. Very good experience. Yeah.
Beautiful, and you know, ordinarily I would have loved for you to be in our studio for this interview. Yeah, but you know, what do you think about entertainment in the Southeast? Like, you know, the entertainment scene in the Southeast. What do you think about it?
It's taking a new dimension.
Okay.
In the past 1 year, it's changing, and that's what we want it to be. So I'm willing and I'm available to help and support in any way to make it, you know, come alive. Beautiful,
because I didn't even ask you that, but you're saying it because it's very important. People like you, I can see, because the talents here do too much.
Sure.
Too much. So also, before you go, let's not keep you. Yeah. Actually, my good Deejay Masta your favorite. Old song, but beautiful.
You know, when he started, you know, like that, he didn't really sing.
Okay.
So after that song, he spoke to me. I told him, I said, listen, you got to start singing. Everybody can sing.
Yes.
If you can make hits, why not? So since then, he's been singing, and he's going bigger and bigger. He has a new song coming soon.
Yeah.
And it's really nice. I can trust you. I can tell you that.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure having you here, sir. Thank you so much. What are you expecting tonight?
As always, this is my third edition, attending the All Black Experience with Deejay Masta, and like always, I always expect a mind-blowing event, a mind-blowing show. He pays attention to details. I mean, the red carpet session says it all, or the black carpet session.
Black carpet, yeah, it's a black carpet.
It's a black on black thing.
A good Deejay Masta.
Okay, I think the question should be, how many do I know?
Okay.
So, as somebody who has worked with J Masta, you might not know, I am actually in J Masta's team.
Oh, nice.
I work as his road manager.
Okay.
And we have Elegushi.
Can be your favorite of all of them?
My favorites, I think it will be Muke Muke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, go lie, you know. No. When I forgot the party was very entertaining, and I'm not if you look kita no masilunu ofuma. So the point is the vibrant nightlife na Alibo. It's even more vibrant than a lot of you people know. And I told no matter na Alibo eba ona akpoto eba ona eme ife na eme eba. And you know, to even say furthermore, na December na abia no na okayeme. In fact, oyeme kali. So we're going to go straight to the countdown show. Now we have 5 songs like we usually do, and 5 beautiful songs from the music industry. And you want get we put out 5 songs from our playlist. Under the comment section, you be 5 songs you like ewu ndi Igbo guru. So let's just get straight to it. So at number 1, I went Stoner Mwibo with Ikemba. Now Ikemba bo egu released very recently, and first of all, Stoner Mwibo, big ups to him. He's been doing great, you know. The way see the way see agodi magodi na wenya abugodi ye basandi Igbo nisi. He's representing us very well. Stoner Mwibo with Ikemba on this one. And number 2, the very familiar face, I knew my or Deejay Masta. Of course, Onyaku Makaya just a few minutes ago at the show. And number 2, I went Deejay Masta with Uncompi. When I'm looking at your baby girl, I feel like I just want some more. I just want some more. Well, all right. And number 3, I went on Witness. Yeah, Witness. Afeabu Whitney, Chris, Ike, Onibo from Imo State, Amoleana, Canada. Eba kono kwato. Mana okwa wana inwa ikobo. Anone ofuma negu. This beautiful song, Catch Me, is, you know, a very recent song or drop, and believe me, she's one for the future. Witness will Catch Me.
Whenever I feel like I'm falling down low, catch me, oh, catch me, oh. Pick up the phone when I'm calling for you.
So at number 4, Fino with Troublemaker. Egwa Bugodi, a potential hit, because if you go the way the song is see a begodi everywhere. Yeah, I'm going to Egwa on something na ben Egwa. You know, like once in a while the boy in a boom imalugodina Egwe bidogo. Number 4, it's Fino with Troublemaker from the Full Time Job album.
Yeah, once in a while the boy in a boom. You can learn from my neck in the ooze and this is in the back of the Benz, like guys in the room.
So at number 5, last but not the least, in no particular order, Fave. Yeah, the beautiful Fave, the amazing, talented Fave. And by the way, before we proceed, Fave were EP, and I put Dirty Love, and I put that on the 7th of November. It's our EP. It's coming out, and I'm thinking this song is going to be a part of it. I'm guessing it's going to be a part of it. This particular song, No Games by Fave. More like it personally, I play it almost every other day, and I cannot wait for Dirty Love EP. Fave 191, I say GC yeah, Fave with No Games. And that's it on the Isa Music Show. Unomakaisi Emeya Eba Kona Potu Etefuna Isonyera at Voice of the East. Yes, at Voice of the East on Instagram, across all social media, HF kona isu nyanani. Malutakwa na every first and third Friday of the month. I know eba na Emedi Entertainment. So keep a date with us. HF kwana. Yeah. Afam kabusumto kodeno.